This video will show you how to make the Bristol board cubes for DES103 analog tools. To make these cubes, you need these tools: your ruler, your Sobo glue, your X-Acto knife and extra blades, a sharp pencil, a damp paper towel, and of course, your Bristol board. This demo video will show you how to make the largest of these cubes, the one that is 3 inches on a side. To do that, I'm going to measure a 1/2 inch over, then 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, and 1/2 inch again. One half inch. 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to move my ruler down the page a little bit and do the same thing. Measure 1/2 inch and then measure over 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, oops, there we go, and 1/2 inch. And now from the top of the page, I'll measure 1 inch and 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. You'll notice that as I am measuring these, I am not drawing lines. I am simply making little tick marks at the appropriate places on the page because I don't want pencil lines on my finished cube. 1 inch, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. Now, we're going to measure a 1/2 inch here and a 1/2 inch here. These lines are 1/2 inch above the 3 inch line that I had marked as I was coming down from the top of the page. 1/2, 1/2. Now, we're going to make a cut all the way here, all the way here. One stroke only. Then all the way here, all the way here. Remember, we're not cutting all the way through the card when we do this. We are simply running our very first scoring stroke all the way down. Do not cut all the way through the card. Now, we're going to make a cut here and here. There's my mark. I'm going to come here. And I'm going to come there. Then I'm going to come there and there. Now, I'm going to cut here and here. Now, I'm going to run a scoring cut here, 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 and here. Scoring cuts are indicated on the layout sheet by dotted lines. And as a reminder, scoring cuts are a single pass that does not cut all the way through the card. It should only cut a little bit into the card to give us a nice, crisp folding edge. Now, I'm going to run a cut right here. Cut these angles. This angle meets that angle. This angle meets that angle. That angle meets that angle. That angle meets that angle. That angle meets that angle. Now, I'm going to pick it up. We have our score lines. And we're just going to bend it along the score line. Just like that. Very nice and easy. It's very important at this stage that your hands are very clean so that you don't get smudges all over your beautiful white Bristol board. Sometimes before I start folding the sides over, I will wash my hands really quickly to make sure that I'm working very cleanly. Now, we're going to put glue here and here. So I'm going to take a piece of scrap. Put some glue on it. To my finger. Not too much. I'm not putting a lot of glue, just enough to hold it, because I don't want the glue to squeeze out and make a mess when I put the sides together. So look how I'm just putting just a little bit of glue there. Take that and wipe it off. If you don't get all the glue off of your finger when you go to fold the cube together, you'll get glue fingerprints on the outside of the cube. Those will never go away. You really don't want that to happen. And now I'll reach down inside the cube with the eraser end of my pencil to press that flap down. See how I've got very clean, crisp edges? They're all very square and very straight. This is what we're looking for with this cube. We want a nice, clean cube with no pencil lines, no fingerprints, and all right angles. I look forward to seeing yours.